So my house is number 210, 2 standing for, and there, I don't know if you can see the number 210 here, 210, right. So from this house, probably tomorrow I might not have time to take you around. So from here, we need to put here the card and all the lights will be on. So you close it here. So let me give you a quick tour of what this hotel has to offer. So from the door, this is the entry porch. This is the entry porch, and you need to put here your card, access card, for the lights to power on, right? So on your right, you'll realize that there is a mirror here, which you can see yourself from up to bottom, right? But also the mirror itself, it is a door. It is a door to where? To the bathroom area. Oh my goodness. So yeah. So from the bathroom, you see you have where you can, comfortably shower and all that, right? And then on top of that, you have a mirror here as well, where you can check yourself after washing probably your face and teeth. So you have been provided with a little few things here to use. This one I came with them. Yeah, so that is the bathtub for you, and that is the door. So I'll give you a quick tour as well to this overhead shower room, whereby you see there is that particular shower. There is, if you want to use this one, and all that, right? And the floor tap or sink tap, whatever you call it. That's how it looks. That's how it looks, and there is some light up there. Yeah. Just next to it, there is a toilet here, and that's how it looks. Very clean, and a tissue, and some wherever here. So let's go to the main room where I'll be sleeping, right? Yeah, so that is it. Let's close it. Let's close it. The switch off. That is the switch for the bathroom. And from there is some art here, and yeah, that is it. So before we go there is this closet, rather wardrobe. Here you can put your clothes and all that. Yeah, it's just a small. You can hang it there. Yeah. Let's keep going. As we go, you can see there is this car art here. There is charging port, and there is a 32-inch screen with which you can play some limited channels. And here you have some cupboard. There is, if you want to make for yourself coffee and all that, you have been provided with that. This one is mine. I came with it. Yeah, all this. There is this lamp here, bulb or whatever. So there is a small chair here. And also there is some work table here, which you can use. And actually this is a gift that I found here on top. My company has actually awarded me, and it is a 4-liter mini fridge. I think it's for the car. I'll be opening it probably when I reach at home, right? Or just here before I leave. Yeah, there is some other mirror there with some art. There is some other lighting here with some art on it. And now, this is where the big boss will be spending today's night. I think it is a 5x6 bed. Very comfortable. Yeah, with some side bed lights. Yeah, and just on the other side of the bed, that is this is the shower, the showering area that we saw the other side. You see? Yeah, so you just close here. And you'll be good to go. Yeah, basically that is it. And behind this curtain, there is a balcony here. The balcony here, I don't know if I should zoom a little bit. And just right there is a road, a tarmac road passing, which I'll just show you tomorrow morning if I remember, because I'll be spending here just one night. Let me hope I'll remember to shoot for you this side of the view, and then I think that'll be it. So for now, let me close so that I can proceed to sleep. So I think I was on leave on that day. So good morning, guys. Welcome back again. A new day. Yeah, this is the second day in Johannesburg, South Africa. And just to continue yesterday's video about the room that I'm staying in. Actually, it was for one night, so we'll be transferred to a different hotel. Yeah, for today's wherever today to tomorrow's night. So today I wanna just continue the yesterday's conversation around the room, and just to showcase you the balcony and the view from this particular side, right? So let me turn the camera to the other side and show you how it looks. Here is the curtains. So let's open Let's open. It's very early, and as you can see from this window, people are passing by. So let's open it, see. And from here you can see there is a small bathroom. I don't want to go outside because I don't have the clothes. And from here you can see there is that road. Let me just film from this side. There is that road that passes through the Monte Casino. So the Johannesburg is beautiful. You can see the type of cabs. Actually, this one is a cab. You can see how beautiful. You can see the display. You know, the guy stops to allow the other guy to move and all that. So this is beautiful, and you know, you can see the water body over there. Yeah, let's converse. Let's keep going.